Wait, we're done already?
Oh, dang.
Ah! One? Is that an acronym or something? Wait, new names? Tomato, get out of there! What happened? What just happened? We can't die. Whoa, Tomato! No. I think so. I don't know, actually. I don't understand anything about what's going on. Oh man, I can barely hold on. I really think I'm gonna fall soon. Where do you live, by the way? I'm in the, Bay Area. San Francisco. Oh man, this really might be it. Whoever wins, I hope you enjoy your wish. It's a shame I can't really get it at this point. Wait, like on TV?
Ow. Wait, what? No, you don't have to do this. It can be on its own. Besides, I'm fine with that one. Trust me, I'm perfectly capable of...
Please, don't worry, I'll get used to it. Besides, I'm just glad I'm not dead at this point.
So, if I'm understanding correctly, you guys come from a world of greater beings who rule the world. And these humans, that's what they're called, right? Okay. And these humans use you guys like objects on a daily basis? Yet you're forced to keep your sentience a complete secret to them? So what were you doing before you got here? Huh.
I just want to go home.
I can't even use one of my legs! Oh shoot! Oh, ow.
Backpack is...
Don't worry about it, I just tripped. Yeah, I know. It's fine though, we can just wait until next round. I mean, it's too late now. It won't be long before the next challenge comes, though. Not again.
Wait.
Let him sleep. He needs it.
Hi, my name is Liam. I'm a backpack and my leg hurts.
I don't feel very good.
I'm not entirely sure, but I think he might know more about this than we do.
Why can't we keep Cynthia with us?
It'll be okay, Senti. They're just teens. That he wouldn't let him leave? I don't think that's any different from what he's doing with us. Have we even tried walking away? Nothing. What? What is... Yeah, we saw. Yeah, sorry I didn't say anything. We didn't know he was gonna do that. If it makes you feel any better, the text box did the challenge for us, so we're staying too. I mean, he did save Soda Bottle's life, so I doubt it's anything sinister. Besides, there's always next time. I'm just trying to be optimistic, okay?
What's happening? How long has it been doing that? Hey, challenge is about to start. Stone, don't do the challenge for us. We know what you did with Senti's team last time. We're not letting you do the same with our... What the heck is this? Stone, I'm not giving this back to you. We can't afford to stay here for another elimination. Okay, you finished your notes. Can you please... Help me get the cast off.
Ari, don't go yet! Ari!
I was riding home on my bike when it happened. Yeah. I was sitting in an armchair against a wall that spanned infinitely in every direction. I couldn't tell where the horizon began and the ground ended. He was also sitting in an armchair, and there was a small table separating us. The guy was flipping through stations on a radio, but they were all static. No, I don't. I haven't really thought about it very much. It's been a while since I haven't felt completely scatterbrained. I keep thinking about how life really isn't gonna be the same after this. Did you ever notice how all the grass here is pointing towards the sun? Why'd you do it? What? It's okay, Senti. Really. I don't know. For as long as I've wanted to leave, I still don't have much of an idea of what I'm gonna do. If I'm in the right headspace, I'll probably try and figure out what the heck is up with this place. Why not? I don't know, it's just a hunch. No need to be so uptight. I will, Senti. Just you wait. How long do you think we've been here for? 4 days? Dang. Guess it feels longer without any nighttime. Well, if you really do stay here longer than anyone else, I wager it'll only take a week or so. Yeah, if it's really only been 4 days, 6 eliminations ago, you should be out of here like a week later. And that's assuming you're the last to go. I can't say putting up with Ari for any amount longer than me is gonna be very easy, so here's to hoping for the best.
3, 2, 1, push! 3, 2, 1, push! 3, 2, 1, push!
Good job, guys. You guys did awesome. Of course I was. Gotta get the work done somehow. Thanks, Senti. I'm sorry I haven't been as involved before. Soda bottle! Soda bottle? Soda bottle, it's me, Backpack. I finally read the notes Stone gave me, and one of them let me hear. I need your help to figure these out. I don't know what any of these mean, but you might know some of these. It's got these long strings of numbers, there's a few drawings. I've been trying to think about what they could mean on the way here. Would you happen to know at all what these mean? One of them's got a 5 on it, another's got a smokestack. I know there's a smokestack here in Bridgeport. Do you know anything about that? Soda bottle, I know you're listening. I know it's been a long time since you were on the plane, but we need to figure this out. I have a feeling these could help us try and stop Ari from continuing the show, but I won't know without your help. Look, I don't know what to tell you. I came all the way here to see you. You could at least spare me from standing in front of your door forever. Soda bottle, I don't have anywhere else to go. I lost my job, and the whole world thinks I'm dead. Aren't you at least the smallest bit upset about what happened? About what he did to you? I don't even know if these notes mean anything, or if finding out would even help us, but it's worth trying, right? I shouldn't have come here. I thought we were friends. Did nothing on the plane that happened matter to you? I get that you wouldn't want to think about it, but I still exist. Ares still exists. Do you really not care enough to keep this from happening to other people? We were taken to the plane on February 10th, and just last week was the first day I got out. On the way here, I did the math. I was on the plane for 224 days, Soda bottle. I know you were affected by what happened, and I don't discount that at all. But trust me when I say it, I've gotten it much worse. These notes are the only chance I have to come close to making Ari pay for what he did. I cannot live the rest of my life without knowing what or why this happened. If you were maimed and tortured by the hands of someone else, wouldn't you want to do something about it? Worst part is, he just left. Yeah. After you were eliminated, he just dipped for 7 months and left us there with nothing. And for you to be totally complicit ticks me off. You saw me die. You saw me drown in that pool, and you were there afterwards to comfort me. Where is that soda bottle? Do you just not care anymore? You seriously want to live your life forgetting that some sociopath sent us all to an inescapable planet with living text boxes and shape-shifting triangle people from a different world? I'll give you time to think. Either way, you're gonna have to come out at some point.
Still there?
What? Yeah. She helped us keep going after Ari disappeared, and... Okay, thanks. Sorry for standing in front of your door all night, by the way. Stone had your address on one of these notes. I don't know what the rest of these mean, but I was hoping you might be able to help out. Yeah. I didn't have the money for a plane ride, so I hitchhiked here. Took about a week. Wait, you're not coming with? Right. What's going on? Do you still need to go to work? Soda bottle?
Please.
You never told me. Liam. Like this one? I don't have any cash. Let's see what's up with this computer. Hold on, let me keep trying some things. I'm still looking through. Don't say that. We could have just gotten the wrong laptop. Or looked at them in the wrong order. What about this situation is realistic to you? Do you think one was some sort of dream? Did you just pinch yourself? What about Senti? What about her? Before you let me in, you asked if Senti was still there, and I told you yes. So I guess you just don't care about her anymore? I could list 1,000 different reasons why I'm here. I've got enough on my mind already. You know these notes are real. You just don't want to throw your comfortable life away for this. Not even for the life of another person? This computer isn't enough? Me traveling across the country to your exact address isn't enough? What else needs to be proof for you to care about this? Wait a second. Are there Other living text boxes? Here? Keep going. We weren't the first. One of the original contestants lives in New York City. It's only about an hour and a half drive from here. Bryce? Yeah, why not? It says here that he's homeless. If that's still true, he's almost certainly at a homeless shelter. Even if our odds were slim, this could be vital information we're neglecting. We check every homeless shelter we can. If he's not there, we come back. That sounds reasonable to me. Or this one. Wait, is that him over there? Hey, are you Oscar? We're not here to kick you out. We just want to ask you some things. We have a very particular issue, and we think you might have some information about it. Do you recognize the name Airy at all? Listen to me! Were you in any way involved in a mysterious competition with a selection of others for a wish for anything you want? It was in a grassy field, everything was very geometric, and the host was an invisible voice named Airy. Does any of that, one of them was a roll of toothpaste, another was...
That's right!
That wasn't... You realize everything you just described actually... We didn't gain any new information from that. Where do we even go from here? None of these numbers mean anything. It's from the radio. It has to be. It's no code. It definitely has to be about the radio. What else can you think of that has a sequence of numbers followed by a single decimal point? The only thing that I saw after I drowned was a few chairs, a table, and a guy flipping through stations on a radio. Maybe these numbers mean something with that radio. That's a good point. But I still have a strong feeling that's what it represents. I mean, the only way I know how to get there is by... Yeah, no. So much for that trailhead. Yeah, wait a second. Bryce, look at this. This is our next place to go. There's an arrow at the top right here. If we go over there while it's raining, we might get a new lead. Looks like that's every part of it. The moon, rain clouds, smokestack. Everything lines up. You can drive us too, right? What? Do you have any better ideas? So why don't we... Everything these notes have suggested have been true so far. Why would we stop here? Could you at least drive me there so I can do it myself? Can I...
Yeah,
what do I have to lose? Huh? My life was great before this all happened, and Airy has taken everything from me! I can't sit back and miss what could be my only shot at stopping this from happening to anyone else! You're telling me your life wasn't completely ruined after what you experienced? Not even for Senti? Were you there for 7 months? 7 months in a barren wasteland stripped of everything that gave you a purpose in life? I'm dead to this world soda bottle, don't you get it? Pop over. Bryce! Bryce? This is where I went after I drowned. I think the lightning struck us both dead. Come look over here. This is the radio I was talking about. Now that we're here, we can actually test if these notes work. What? No, this is what I saw. Ah, I still have the laptop. Are you here too, Texty? Oh, awesome. The lightning didn't mess up the laptop at all? I'm sure it's fine. Let's find those notes. Did I leave them in the... No, wait, here they are. No, wait. Look at the numbers here. What happens if I turn the knob? This has to be it! Maybe we can hear Stone through this if we put it to this frequency. Is that a 5 or a 6? Okay, I think this is it. It's kind of hard to hear. What if I adjusted the antenna? No! That was a 6? Bryce, come on! I think I have the correct one this time. Okay, let's try this again. What? What the heck is going on? I forgot the 2. 2, 7, 9, 4, 3, 5, dot 1. Yes. No. Bryce, we checked this like 7 times. This has to be it. I have a flashlight. This is where Stone is, I guess. Stone! He wouldn't have been so panicked to make the notes if he knew it wasn't the last time we saw him. So why did he lead us here? Let's just go back. We did all that for nothing. We were killed 20 times over and didn't find anything about Stone. What? San Francisco. Let's do it. Looks good. I was starting to think we would never get back here again. Yeah, let's do that. Owen? I got a job abroad. I'm managing telemarketing stuff over in Australia, and now that I have a break, I thought about coming back here. Oh, what did the police have to do with this? Really? My flights and purchases are still on record. I'm surprised they didn't look into that. Oh yeah, sounds good. I'm kind of booked with some other stuff right now, but I'd love to hang out again soon. See ya, Owen. Yeah, he was my old coworker. I've known him pretty much since college. I'm remembering what it's like to have a life again. Now that we're back on Earth, you're not gonna flake out last minute, are you? For what? Thanks, Bryce. I couldn't have done this without you. We should probably go back at night, so people don't see us disappear in broad daylight. I have an idea of where we can go. This is the place where I first looked at the notes after coming back to Earth. I was there all night, and no one was there. That was the only time he did that. I think that'll work. Are you ready, Texty? After this is finished and we come back to Earth again, promise you'll come visit? Yeah. Bryce! Texty, where's Bryce?
Oh man, what do we do?
We're ending this. Where's my flashlight? Do you see anything? Did we get the number wrong again? Get us out of here.
I don't know if I can do this.
Are you trying to get home? Hey, are you trying to get back to Earth? This stands for San Francisco. Do you know where San Francisco is? This number will take you back to Earth. Do you have the number? Okay, all you need to do now is pull the antenna up and you'll be back home. Now lift it up.
Do you realize how much suffering you've caused me? Do you realize the torture you put so many innocent people through? You apathetic, deranged psychopath! End this, now! Are you brain dead? Send everyone back, right now!
Why not?
My name is not Backpack! Really? Let me just do it myself then.
Why do you do this?
Yeah, you like killing people for your own enjoyment? You like stabbing babies with giant wooden poles, Ari? Well, I'm glad you had fun, Ari. Did your viewers have fun too? What's up with those viewers anyways?
You made it up. So you were the one eliminating us the whole time.
Hey!
Where do you think you're going? Oh, nuh-uh. I told you to send everyone home right now. Did you hear this stuff? What do we do? I can't break the computer and lose the only person who knows how to take them back. That's such a stupid... Ugh. I'll go follow it. What?
Is there water there?
Okay. I have more questions. What is this place? Are there other people here? How did you make the plane? There's a bunch of different planets in the cave, and one of them is the plane. What did you do to make it? So what are you up here for? You gonna take me out with something behind those reeds? For what? Ugh. Stupid parts are too sharp. This? Yeah? Why do you care? Why would I give you these? I'll give you the pieces if you send everyone back tonight. Ari, are you listening to me? Tonight. Then you're not getting these pieces. Tomorrow.
Whoa! Whoa! No!
You're the only one here? Are you from Earth? So how did you get here? How long have you been here for? Alone? What did you do all that time? What about the first competition? I'm gonna go inside. Thanks. Hey guys, it's me!
Who are those people on the computer? Why is Owen on your computer? Why is he there?